Hey, Scentsy Fanatics! It's Friday! Yesterday we got the Whiff Box in the mail.
Yeah.
So, yeah. This is a Whiff Box.
I took this out of it.
You took that out already? Well, let's tell them what a Whiff Box is. A Whiff Box is a monthly subscription of awesome Scentsy products.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it gives you a chance to try different products. Previously, for June and July, you could only get Whiff Boxes through the, the Scentsy Club because of demand and us not, or Scentsy not being able to keep up. But we're going to go ahead and August 1st, you can start ordering them. You can order through me or you can order through my website. So, but I'm going to show you what's in the July Whiff Box. First, you get this cute little piece of paper that kind of tells you some information about Scentsy. And the theme this month was Go Coconuts. So, okay.
I'm flipping.
You're flipping it? Okay. Here we go. So, what do we got? Oh, so we have, you get full-size products in here. So, it's really nice to be able to try something different. So, the full-size product we got was one of the fragrance flowers, the Amazon Rain, and then some samples of Amazon Rain in the washer whiffs. I love my washer whiffs. Oh, what else is in there?
Shampoo for me.
Shampoo? I don't think it's shampoo. I think it's hand cream in the pineapple coconut vanilla. And
I have hands.
You do. So it's for his hands. You can only get this scent in body products anymore, not bars. During the months, the hot summer months, our bars and such come in this, which is kind of nice because they're wrapped. And then you have that upside down. They include a ice pack with them. So they're pretty. If you don't get an ice pack in this with them, there's something wrong. So we got Mahala coconut sample. We got next month's scent of the month with aloe vera and ivy, which I'm getting the scent of the month today. So you will be seeing another video coming. And then we got a cocoa nut lime bar and a go-go mango bar. And some more paper. Was that in the fragrance flower? If you haven't tried our fragrance flowers, they're really, really cool. They're all handmade. And
What's this?
that's the end of the fragrance flower.
Do we pull down this end?
No, we pull it this way. See? This is a fragrance flower. They're actually little wood, very thin slivers of wood. And they sit in an oil that soaks up and then gives you your fragrance through the, out through the petals. So, if you'd like to whiff box or like to try a whiff box, it's a great way to try different products and to get fun Scentsy every month.
That smells so good.
Thank you. It's Amazon Rain. Well, you have a great day, and we'll talk soon.